Morning, Alton again. Tell you a little story from one day. Big day, community day in a Portland. Saying, music, a go on, jerk pan blazing, little dance all in one corner. But the big event, goat race. Yeah man, not horse, not dog, goat. You see me? Me never see crowd get so hype so yet over animal with 4 stomach. Man a bet heavy. One man say, yo, if him go lose, him a go shave him eyebrow. He say, this thing is serious. Yeah man, me put a little $5 on a big bad buttercolor billy goat named Slippers. Them call him Slippers, cause him hoof them never touch the ground properly. Like say, him a glide pan patty paper. So boom, race start, man them leg of the rope. All of the goat them dash down like say them late for prayer. But Slippers take off like him have Holy Spirit.